It is indeed possible for residential doorbell circuit wiring to overheat and cause a fire. Several factors can contribute to this dangerous situation. Firstly, excessive current draw can lead to overheating. A stuck or jammed doorbell push button can allow continuous current to flow through the circuit, exacerbating this issue. Secondly, undersized wiring poses a risk. If the wire gauge is too small for the current draw, the wiring can overheat due to the increased resistance. Thirdly, poor electrical connections can contribute to the problem. Loose or corroded connections can create resistance and generate heat, potentially leading to a fire. Fourthly, aged or damaged insulation is a concern. Old or compromised insulation can allow electrical current to leak, causing overheating and increasing the risk of fire. The heat generated by the overheating wiring can ignite surrounding materials, such as insulation or drywall. If the wiring is concealed within walls, the fire can spread unnoticed until it breaks through the surface, making it crucial to address this issue. Modern Class II transformers are equipped with thermal protection to prevent overheating. However, it is important to note that this protection is designed to trap when the transformer itself overheats, not when the wiring downstream of it overheats. Therefore, it is essential to take additional precautions to ensure the safety of the entire circuit. If the doorbell push button remains stuck in the on position, it will allow a continuous current to flow through the circuit, increasing the possibility of overheating and fire. Therefore, it is vital to address this issue promptly. To mitigate these risks, several measures can be taken. Firstly, use an appropriate wire gauge for the current draw to prevent overheating. Secondly, securely fasten all electrical connections to minimize resistance and heat generation. Thirdly, ensure proper insulation and regularly check for damaged wiring. Fourthly, install smoke and fire detectors to provide early warning of potential fires, allowing for timely intervention. While residential doorbell circuits are designed to be safe, it is important to acknowledge that overheating can occur, especially in cases of wiring defects or a stuck push button. By implementing proper maintenance and precautions, homeowners can help prevent such incidents and ensure the safety of their homes. It is crucial to be aware of the potential fire hazards associated with doorbell circuit wiring and take proactive steps to mitigate these risks. By following these guidelines, residents can significantly reduce the likelihood of a fire and protect their homes and families. To ensure the safety of your home's doorbell circuit, it's important to understand the various components and their roles in preventing overheating and potential fires. Let's delve deeper into the factors contributing to overheating, the function of thermal protection in transformers, and the essential mitigation measures you can take. Excessive current draw is a primary concern when it comes to doorbell circuit safety. The doorbell transformer is designed to step down the voltage from your home's electrical system, typically 120 volts, to a lower voltage, usually between 8 volts and 24 volts, suitable for the doorbell chime. However, if the doorbell push button is stuck in the on position, it creates a continuous loop, allowing current to flow constantly through the circuit. This sustained current flow can overload the wiring, leading to overheating. The amount of current flowing through the circuit depends on the resistance of the wiring and the voltage supplied by the transformer. According to Ohm's law, current equals voltage divided by resistance. Therefore, a lower resistance in the wiring or a higher voltage from the transformer will result in a higher current flow. Undersized wiring is another significant factor that can contribute to overheating. The wire gauge, which refers to the thickness of a wire, determines its ability to safely carry electrical current. If the wire gauge is too small for the current draw of the doorbell circuit, the wire will heat up due to the increased resistance. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for selecting the appropriate wire gauge based on the expected current draw. Table 310.15. The 16 in the NEC specifies the allowable amperities of insulated conductors rated up to 600 volts, which is relevant for doorbell circuit wiring. It is crucial to consult this table and ensure that the wire gauge used in your doorbell circuit is adequate for the expected current draw. Poor electrical connections can also cause overheating in doorbell circuits. Loose or corroded connections increase the resistance in the circuit, leading to heat generation. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electrical current. When current flows through a high resistance connection, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. This heat can build up over time, potentially igniting nearby combustible materials. It is essential to ensure that all electrical connections in the doorbell circuit are tight, clean, and free from corrosion. Using proper wire connectors and terminals can help maintain secure and reliable connections. Aged or damaged insulation poses a risk to doorbell circuit safety. The insulation surrounding the wires in the doorbell circuit prevents electrical current from leaking and causing short circuits. Over time, insulation can deteriorate due to heat, moisture, or physical damage. When insulation becomes compromised, it can allow electrical current to leak, leading to overheating and potentially starting a fire. Regularly inspect the wiring in your doorbell circuit for signs of damage, such as cracks, brittleness, or discoloration. If you notice any damaged insulation, replace the affected wiring immediately. Modern Class II transformers are designed with thermal protection to prevent overheating. These transformers typically incorporate a thermal cutoff switch or a resettable circuit breaker that trips when the transformer's internal temperature exceeds a certain threshold. This thermal protection is intended to prevent the transformer itself from overheating and potentially causing a fire. However, it is important to understand that the thermal protection in the transformer does not protect the wiring downstream of the transformer. If the wiring in the doorbell circuit overheats due to excessive current draw, undersized wiring, poor connections, or damaged insulation, the transformer's thermal protection may not trip, and a fire could still occur. Therefore, it is crucial to take additional precautions to ensure the safety of the entire doorbell circuit. A stuck doorbell push button can lead to a continuous current flow, increasing the risk of overheating. If the push button remains stuck in the on position, it will allow current to flow through the circuit even when no one is pressing the button. This sustained current flow can overload the wiring, leading to overheating and potentially starting a fire. Regularly check the doorbell push button to ensure that it is functioning properly and not sticking in the on position. If you notice any issues with the push button, replace it immediately. Mitigation measures are essential for preventing overheating and ensuring the safety of your doorbell circuit. Firstly, use an appropriate wire gauge for the current draw. Consult the NEC Table 310.15. B16 to determine the appropriate wire gauge for your doorbell circuit based on the expected current draw. Using a wire gauge that is too small can lead to overheating, while using a wire gauge that is too large is generally not harmful, but may be unnecessary. Secondly, securely fasten all electrical connections. Ensure that all wire connections in the doorbell circuit are tight, clean, and free from corrosion. Use proper wire connectors and terminals to maintain secure and reliable connections. Loose or corroded connections can increase resistance and generate heat, potentially leading to a fire. Thirdly, ensure proper insulation and check for damaged wiring regularly. Inspect the wiring in your doorbell circuit regularly for signs of damage such as cracks, brittleness, or discoloration. Replace any damaged wiring immediately to prevent electrical current leakage and potential overheating. Fourthly, install smoke and fire detectors to provide early warning of potential fires. Smoke and fire detectors are essential safety devices that can alert you to a fire in its early stages, giving you time to evacuate and call for help. Install smoke detectors on every level of your home, including near the doorbell circuit, to provide early warning of potential fires. In conclusion, while residential doorbell circuits are designed to be safe, it is important to be aware of the potential fire hazards associated with overheating. By understanding the factors contributing to overheating, the function of thermal protection in transformers, and the essential mitigation measures you can take, you can significantly reduce the risk of a fire and protect your home and family. Remember to consult the NEC and other relevant safety standards when working with electrical wiring to ensure compliance and safety. Understanding the specific voltage and amperage of your doorbell circuit is crucial for ensuring its safe operation. The voltage is the electrical potential difference that drives the current through the circuit, while the amperage is the measure of the amount of electrical current flowing. Doorbell circuits typically operate at low voltages, usually between 8 volts and 24 volts. This lower voltage reduces the risk of electric shock compared to higher voltage circuits in your home. The amperage of a doorbell circuit is typically quite low, often less than 1 amp. This is because the doorbell chime and push button require only a small amount of current to operate. However, it is important to know the specific voltage and amperage requirements of your doorbell system to select the appropriate transformer and wiring. The doorbell transformer is responsible for stepping down the voltage from your home's electrical system to the lower voltage required by the doorbell circuit. The transformer's voltage and amperage ratings should match the requirements of the doorbell chime and push button. Using a transformer with an incorrect voltage or amperage rating can damage the doorbell system or create a safety hazard. The wiring used in the doorbell circuit must be capable of safely carrying the expected current. The wire gauge, as mentioned earlier, determines the wire's ability to carry current. For low voltage, low amperage doorbell circuits, a smaller wire gauge, such as 18 or 20 American wire gauge or AUG, is typically sufficient. However, it is important to consult the NEC and local electrical codes to determine the appropriate wire gauge for your specific application. When troubleshooting a doorbell circuit, it is helpful to use a multimeter to measure the voltage and amperage. A multimeter is a versatile electronic testing tool that can measure voltage, current, and resistance. By measuring the voltage at the doorbell chime and push button, you can determine if the transformer is providing the correct voltage. By measuring the current flowing through the circuit, you can identify potential problems such as excessive current draw or a short circuit. If you suspect a problem with your doorbell circuit, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can safely diagnose and repair any electrical issues, ensuring the safety of your home and family. Remember, working with electricity can be dangerous, so it is important to take all necessary precautions and follow proper safety procedures. The location of the doorbell transformer can also impact the safety of the doorbell circuit. Doorbell transformers are typically located in one of several places. Firstly, near the main electrical panel, secondly, in a basement or crawl space, and thirdly, in an attic. When installing or maintaining a doorbell transformer, it is important to ensure that it is properly mounted and protected from damage. The transformer should be securely fastened to a solid surface and protected from moisture and physical impacts. If the transformer is located in a damp or humid environment, it should be enclosed in a weatherproof enclosure to prevent corrosion and electrical hazards. It is also important to ensure that the transformer is properly ventilated to prevent overheating. The transformer should not be covered or obstructed in any way that could restrict airflow. Overheating can damage the transformer and create a fire hazard. Regularly inspect the doorbell transformer for signs of damage such as cracks, rust, or corrosion. If you notice any damage, replace the transformer immediately. When replacing a doorbell transformer, be sure to disconnect the power to the circuit at the main electrical panel before working on the wiring. This will prevent electric shock and ensure your safety. Use appropriate wire connectors in terminals to make secure and reliable connections. Follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing the new transformer. By taking these precautions, you can ensure the safe and reliable operation of your doorbell circuit. Remember, electricity can be dangerous, so it is important to take all necessary precautions and follow proper safety procedures. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, consult with a qualified electrician.